is Mr. Chinedum Christian Kalu. I'm the returning officer for the Abia North Senatorial Primaries election. From the number of votes collected from the local government, the candidates that stand for this election are two. It's between Professor Philip Nto and Dr. Orji Uzor Kalu. The total number of votes cast is 67,854, spread across 57 wards. On that, Professor Philip Nto, total number of votes recorded for him is 2,103. That is 2103. Dr. Orji Uzor Kalu scored a total of 65,651.
Power!
Capacity. On that note, with the power vested on me as the returning officer for the Abia North Senatorial election, I hereby declare Dr. Orji Uzor Kalu winner of this election. In furtherance to this, and in compliance with what the stipulated laws permit, I have the INEC staff who are here to witness what is happening. There's Mr. Chibuzo here, and the other two, the gentleman and the lady. So on that note, I will say that this exercise have come to a conclusion.
Sorry, Mr. Chibuzo, introduce yourself.
And the winner have emerged. Thank you very much for listening.
Yes, sir.